Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an awesome video with some tail footage and a special guest talking about riding the tail of the dragon for the first time. But before we get into that, if you're new around here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell, do all the things. If you like this kind of content, we have a ton of this stuff on the channel and more coming. Alright, so let's get into the video. Like I said, I have a special guest. Today I have my dad here who is going to give us a quick rundown of riding the tail for the first time with just some quick tips and pointers and tricks. So, Dad, take it away. What do you think? What do you have to say about the tail?
Sure. Remember the fundamentals that made you a safe rider in the first place. Riding the tail calls upon all the skills in your bag. Stay in your lane. Never cross the double yellow line. Keep your head and eyes up, looking deep into the turn. And be prepared for the unexpected, whether it be animals or a bike or car coming at you in your lane. Be prepared for emergency braking. Certainly be courteous. Pull off to the right to allow faster bikes and cars to pass. Never pull off on the left as you would be crossing double yellow line. Be safe, have fun, ride at your skill set and your speed experience. Don't be tempted because somebody in front of you is going faster and you're trying to catch up. It could hurt you and you could end up having a not so good visit to the dragon. It's a challenge, it's a fun ride, you can enjoy it, it's a beautiful country. And if you want to sightsee, don't do it while you're riding, as you need both hands on the wheel and eyes 100% focused. Pull off to the scenic area pull-offs to enjoy the view. And you will have a wonderful time here at the Dragon.
So, there you go. There you have it. That's perfect. From a more experienced rider, you know, there's really nothing there that's groundbreaking. It's all pretty much straightforward, but it's things that you have to remember whenever you're on a dangerous road like the tail. So, Dad, thanks for the input and the information. And you guys, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.